Welcome to Module 4. Today we will dive into how to use Camtasia for screen recording and webcam integration. Perfect for tutorials, walkthroughs, vlogs, and among other things. So stay tuned. Let's begin. Trust me, by the time you finish, you will start creating your own content. Is come here and click record. Now when you click on record, you can see that it has given you these green dash lines here. It is telling you that it will record your full screen. If you don't want to record your taskbar, you can reduce it or take it away from there. So if you don't adjust it and you click on record, that is it. So you can adjust it. Now, so the region where you want to, is it the full screen? Yes, it's full screen. So if you select it will adjust it for you. This is the webcam. So if you check this, you the speaker, your picture will come whilst you are recording. When you finish, the good part is that Camtasia will give the webcam recording and the screen recording a separate file. So you can edit this one separately and edit this one also separately. Now, where are we taking the audio from? So if you check this, then it means you are taking it from your machine or the microphone that you attached with system audio. So that is how it is. Now, if you think you are okay and you want to move on to record, just click on start, then the countdown, and then boom, we are in. So whatever I'm saying, it is being recorded. Now let's see. So let me go and then click on my Camtasia. So here we can actually pick this one and put it somewhere. This is a timer to let us know the length we've recorded, and we can also restart this. You see this, when you click on it, it will ask you, do you want to delete what you've done? You say yes, then we move on. All right, so we are in Camtasia now. We are recording. Now, recording tips: make sure you close unnecessary apps. It is very, very important you close unnecessary apps. Then for you to have effective recording, make sure you write down sample script or outline. Do a short testing of your microphone recording. You record and you test it to ensure that everything is okay before you do the actual recording. And then while you are recording, pause as needed and speak clearly. So maybe you want to clear your throat, or you said something that was not supposed to be that way. Then you pause it, you rehearse, and you click and you say it again, so that when you are editing, you will trim those parts and cut those unwanted parts off. So after you've stopped recording, this is what Camtasia will do. It will add the recording to your media bin. So let's end. We've recorded for 1 minute 47 seconds. Let's stop it. So when you go to your media bin, you realize that it has added it up here. Very easy and simple. So now that you know how to edit with Camtasia, you just move on and continue with the editing. All right, welcome. So in this episode, I have activated the camera, the webcam integration. So when you click on the record and then it is recording, all that you have to do is you click on the camera for it to be activated. And then in that case, whatever you are doing on your screen, Camtasia will take your video as you are talking and then at the same time record your screen. So that makes it a very powerful and then a great app software. Okay, so with the webcam integration, when I was recording, I said we've recorded for this number of minutes. You will not see. That's how any recorder is. That is how it is. When you're using the Camtasia, your final video, the interface, you will not see it. So let me click on record so that you know the interface I was talking about. So I was telling you that when you are done, you click on record. These are the recorder system audio, the microphone, the webcam that I activated, and what have you. So here, when you come to this side, you realize that it will give you the screen recording, and this is the video recording. So with the video recording, you can go to visual effects and add border to it. When you click on it, You can change the color, you can change the thickness, you can also crop it, and you can also position it where you want. So maybe it can be here while the video will play for some time. If you think that what you are coming to do, it will obstruct what, then just split it, and then the next one you just take it and let's say come and position it here so that it will not be disturbing your video. So that's the most important part of it. So basically that is how you do the activating the webcam and then the screen recording. Once you master these two skills, you will be able to create your own content and start sharing. Let us look at how we can save our work. So you can see that it's untitled, it has not been saved. So you go to file, you click on save, or you can use the shortcut Control S. So I will say Camtasia. So Camtasia tutorial, then you click on save. It has saved, you realize that the name has come here, and share it. Good job, you've now mastered Camtasia's screen recording and webcam tools. Next up, you will learn how to export and share your finished videos with the world.